Welcome to another Fallout hosting tutorial video. In this tutorial, we are going to go over how to add a server icon to your Minecraft server. You need to go to mcp.fallout-hosting.com. Select the server that you want to add the icon to. In this case, we are going with server icon tutorial. Go to Files, FTP File Access, and enter in your password. Now, to add a server icon, you need to have a pixel at 64 by 64 pixels. You can customize it or download it if you want. If you're going to customize it, I recommend using Photoshop or GIMP. You need to save it as server-icon and make sure it's saved as a .png file. For this tutorial, I've already got one pre-made. So go to Upload, choose File, choose server-icon.png, and hit Submit. Now all we need to do is go back to the main panel and go to the console. And restart the server. While we're waiting for the server to restart, I'll let you know what the server icon serves. Server icon serves as a identifier for your server, kind of like a little logo for your server. It will help your server stand out within lists of other servers, and some sites like Planet Minecraft will use your server icon to identify your server in a listing. Now that our server has finished starting up, let's go and launch Minecraft. As you can see, the tutorial server has a server icon now. And that is how you upload a server icon to your Minecraft server.